Yeah. Today, see, today we are going to discuss. Today we are going to discuss. See, in our yesterday's class, in our yesterday's class, okay, in our yesterday's class we discussed how to create the table. Okay, in our yesterday's class we discussed how to create the table. Yesterday's class. Okay, and today we are going to discuss. Okay, how to insert the records into the SAP table, into the SAP database table. Okay. First of all, how to see. In our previous class, we discussed. How to create the table. Okay. And now see, yesterday I said only how to create the table. But today, see, we are going to discuss how to insert the records. Okay. So see here. So 1 second here. Yeah, see here, we discussed yesterday this table creation. That's where execute it. See, that's where execute the table. See how we people can execute the table. Yes, there are two options. The first one is the shortcut. Use the contents icon. By using the contents icon, we can execute. Or else, we people can click on the utilities, click on contents, and click on display. Okay, we can execute it. Now see here, I just click on execute button. I just click on execute button. See, these are the fields. Okay, and see here the point. Here you can see customer ID, customer name, see custom. See, all these are the field names only. Field names. If you want to display with the labels, labels means what? This one. If you want to see, you see custom ID, custom, it could be some difficult to understand for some people. So if you want to display the table headings, okay, using the short description, that is like this. Okay, then what you need to do is click on, see, please observe here. If you want to display the headings of the, okay, if you want to display the labels of the table, how means see here, click on utility settings, click on parameters. See here, you can see here, here it was selected field name. Here the field name was selected. If you select the field labels, then here the short description will come. Now see here, now you can identify the table easily. Customer identity number, customer name, customer type, customer department identity, identity number, customer registration date. You can identify. Now click on the number of entries. When you click on number of entries here you can see there is no entries, zero. Zero means what? There is no entries. Why means we just create the table. We just okay. See, we just create the table, but we didn't insert the records into the table, right? We didn't insert the records. So now we people are going to insert the records. Okay. Now see here, somebody asked the question that is, okay, see, what is the use of these checkboxes? But here, if you not check these two checkboxes, here, if you check, see here, for this customer ID, I mentioned here two checkboxes. I just selected. If you want to make this field, I want to make this field as a primary key field. That's why I used to check this one. If you not check this one, if you not check these two checkboxes, then this customer ID, it won't be treated as a primary key field. 100% if you people are going to create a table, means 100% we should have the primary key field. Without primary key field, we can't create the table in SAP. In data dictionary, if you want to create the table 100%, you need to provide the primary key field. In SAP, without primary key field, you can't create the SAP table without primary key field. In other technologies, it may possible. For example, Oracle and SQL Server, MySQL, DB2, there it's possible. But here in SAP, there is, okay, it's not possible. Without primary people creating the table is not possible. Now see here, now let's see go how we need to provide the entries. How we, yeah, see here, click on save it, check it, activate that. I just click on save, check, activate the table, and I'm going to provide the entries. How can I provide the entries? So click on utilities. Inside of the utilities, you can see the word table contents. If you click on display, this table will get displayed. But if you click on create entries, then we people, with the help of create entries, we people can provide the entries. We people can insert the entries into the table one by one, one by one, one by one, one by one only. See here. Now I'm going to provide the customer ID, for example, 100. Customer name James.